Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the world's most fascinating cultural treasures. Today, we're diving into the heart of West Africa to explore Benin, a country rich in history, traditions, and mysteries. From ancient voodoo practices to majestic royal palaces, Benin is a land that will captivate your imagination and stir your soul. Let's embark on this incredible journey. Our first stop is the historic town of Ouidah, the spiritual heart of voodoo. Imagine walking through the sacred forest, a serene and mystical place where ancient trees are believed to house powerful spirits. This sacred site is a cornerstone of voodoo practices, where rituals and ceremonies have been performed for centuries. Nearby, the Ouidah Museum of History offers a deep dive into the region's past, showcasing a fascinating collection of voodoo artifacts. Just a stone's throw away is the famous Python Temple, a unique sanctuary where pythons are revered as sacred animals. These gentle serpents are believed to embody the spirit of the voodoo deity, Dangbé. Visiting the temple is a truly unique experience. Imagine holding a python, feeling its cool, smooth scales, and learning about the important role these creatures play in local rituals. Every January, Ouidah comes alive with the annual Voodoo Festival, where the town transforms into a vibrant celebration of music, dance, and religious ceremonies, drawing devotees and curious visitors from all over the world. Next, we journey to Abomey, the ancient capital of the powerful Dahomey Kingdom. Here, the Royal Palaces of Abomey stand as a testament to the kingdom's grandeur and influence. Walking through these UNESCO World Heritage Sites, you'll be transported back in time. Picture the imposing walls adorned with detailed bas-reliefs that depict scenes of royal ceremonies, battles, and daily life. The Historical Museum of Abomey, housed within the palace complex, offers a treasure trove of artifacts, including royal thrones, ceremonial weapons, and traditional attire. Next, we'll explore the fascinating lake village of Dangbé. Often referred to as the Venice of Africa, imagine gliding through narrow waterways in a wooden pirogue, passing by stilt houses that rise gracefully above the water. The Tofinu people have lived here for centuries, creating a unique way of life centered around the lake. Explore the bustling floating market, where vendors sell everything from fresh fish to colorful textiles. Dangbé is a living testament to human ingenuity and resilience, offering a unique cultural experience that's unlike anything else. Next up, we're diving into the historic and cultural richness of Ouidah. Known as the cradle of the Dahomey Kingdom, Ouidah is a town steeped in tradition and heritage. The Royal Palace of Ouidah stands as a symbol of the kingdom's origins and is an essential stop for understanding the roots of Benin's royal history. Picture yourself walking through the palace grounds, where the echoes of past kings and queens still resonate. Annual festivals celebrated here offer vibrant displays of traditional music, dance, and rituals, providing a colorful and immersive experience of Benin's cultural heritage. From Ouidah, we head to Bohikon, a town that serves as the gateway to the fascinating world of the Taneka people. The Taneka villages, perched on the hills, are like living museums where ancient traditions and ways of life are preserved. Imagine stepping into a village where time seems to stand still, with round huts made of mud and thatch, and elders dressed in traditional attire overseeing daily activities. The Taneka people are known for their rich cultural practices and spiritual rituals, including initiations and ceremonies that have been passed down through generations. Visiting Bohikon and its surrounding villages offers a rare glimpse into a way of life that remains largely untouched by modernity. Next, we journey to the vibrant town of Niki, the heartland of the Bariba people in the center of the Niki Kingdom. One of the highlights here is the annual Gani Festival, a cultural extravaganza that celebrates the kingdom's history and heritage. Picture the streets of Niki filled with colorful parades, traditional dances, and music that resonates through the air. The festival is a showcase of Bariba culture, with elaborate costumes, horse riding displays, and performances that tell stories of valor and tradition. Attending the Gani Festival is a captivating experience that immerses you in the rich tapestry of Benin's cultural diversity. Moving on, we arrive at the scenic town of Natitingu, nestled in the Atakora Mountains. This region is home to the Samba people, known for their unique fortress-like houses called Tatasamba. Imagine exploring these architectural marvels, which are designed to protect against both wild animals and invaders. The Tatasamba houses are multi-storied structures made of clay, with each floor serving a different purpose, from storage to living quarters. The cultural traditions of the Samba people are equally fascinating, with rituals and ceremonies that reflect their deep connection to the land and their ancestors. A visit to Natitingu offers a blend of stunning landscapes and rich cultural insights. Our exploration of Benin's cultural treasures continues, and now we're heading to the heart of Parakou, a city known for its vibrant festivals and bustling markets. Parakou is a cultural melting pot where traditional practices and modern influences blend seamlessly. Imagine attending one of Parakou's lively traditional festivals, where the streets come alive with music, dance, and colorful parades. These festivals offer a unique opportunity to witness the rich cultural heritage of the local communities, with performances that showcase their history, beliefs, and artistic expressions. In Parakou, the markets are a sensory delight. Picture yourself wandering through stalls filled with fresh produce, spices, textiles, and handcrafted goods. The energy is palpable as vendors call out their wares, and the air is filled with the aroma of local delicacies. The markets are not just places to shop, but vibrant social hubs where you can experience the daily life and culture of the people. From traditional fabrics to intricate beadwork, you'll find unique souvenirs that tell the story of Benin's rich artisan traditions. Finally, we make our way to the vibrant city of Cotonou, Benin's largest city and economic powerhouse. In Cotonou, the Dantokpa market awaits, one of the largest open-air markets in West Africa. Imagine the hustle and bustle of this immense market, where you can find everything from fresh produce and spices to traditional voodoo items and handmade crafts. The market is a whirlwind of colors, sounds, and scents, offering an authentic slice of local life. The voodoo section is particularly intriguing, with stalls selling fetishes, charms, and other items used in voodoo rituals. For those interested in traditional crafts, the Artisanal Center is a must-visit. Here, you can watch skilled artisans create beautiful textiles, pottery, and jewelry, and purchase unique souvenirs that reflect Benin's rich cultural heritage. As our journey through Benin's cultural treasures comes to an end, remember that this country is a land of endless discovery, where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in harmony. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our future explorations. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep embracing the beauty of the world. Adios, amigos.